Hi, to activate Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we would need to go in the settings and here just find the Google tab first. Now, after that, switch from the recommended to all services and go in the search assistant and the voice tab. After that, select your Google Assistant and now you can customize and activate it. Firstly, go in the Hey Google and voice match and enable it by tapping on the switcher. So now you just need to tap this I agree button and teach your assistant to recognize your voice. So you would need to say out loud everything what we'll see on the screen. Let's tap I agree and try this out. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Oh Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And now it is ready to be used. Tap the next button, then wait a couple of seconds. You can select the start saving audio or select button not now, and now it is enabled. Let's try this out. Hey Google. And yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.